Hello guys, today we are going to see how to pass data between two activities in Android using Kotlin language. I am Keviraj Jaru, welcome you all in this new tutorial. Thank you for subscribing to our channel, and if you are new then don't forget to subscribe our channel. First, create an Android project. Make sure you have selected Kotlin language. Now we will set up when user clicks on button, it will pass the data to second activity. So write button, give the width to wrap content and height to wrap content. Now let's set the text of this button. So write text equal to send data, and we will set the ID of this button. So write ID equal to btn. Now open main activity1.kt file. Here we will create the object of button. So write where btn colon button equal to find view by ID. In this bracket we have to pass the ID of this button. Now let's create the click event of this button. So write btn dot set on click listener. Here we will write our code. So we will pass the data using intent. Now we will create the second activity. So right click here and select new. Here select activity and click on empty activity. Give the activity name and click on the finish button. So we have created second activity. Now open main activity1.kt file. Here we will create the object of intent. So write well intent colon intent equal to intent, and in this bracket first we have to pass the context. So write this, and then we have to pass the class file of second activity. So write main activity2 colon class.java. Now we will store the data in this intent. So write intent dot put extra. Here first we have to pass the key. So write data, and then we have to pass the value. So write 123. Here we are passing integer data. We can pass all type of data through intent. Now let's start the intent. So write start activity. In this bracket we have to pass the intent object. So write intent. So we have set our data. Now open main activity2.kt file. First we will get the intent object. So write I colon intent equal to get intent. Now we will get the data. So write well data equal to I dot get int extra, and in this bracket we have to pass our key. So write data, and then we have to pass the default value. So write 0. If we pass the string data, then here we have to pass the string. Now we will print the data. So write toast dot make test. First we have to pass the context, and then we will print the data. So write data equal to, and then we will pass the data variable, and at last we will pass the duration. So we have done our code. Now let's run our code and see the output. So here we can see our app is running. Now let's click on this button. Here we can see our data is printed. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned.